Assalamu alaikum, KG class. How are you, my loving students? Your teacher Ghazal is back with the next lecture. Okay, students, you remember the poem of Abaka that we did it last time? Now I will teach you the letter with this sound of letter. Remember, we did this in class nursery as well. Okay, now sit proper. Look here. I will teach you and don't forget to repeat after me. Okay? Let's start with the first letter. Which letter is this? A. Very good. What's the sound of A? A. A. Apple. Very good. Come to the next letter. Which letter is this? B. Very good. What's the sound of B? B. B. Ball. Very nice. Come to the third letter. Which letter is this? C. What's the sound of C? K. C. K. Cookie. Very good. Okay. Now sit proper for the poem.
Listen to the sound. A. Ant.
Listen to the sound. B. 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 Ball.
Listen to the sound. K. C. K. C. K. Car.
Very good. Okay, now clap for yourself. And don't forget to repeat these letters with the sound of the letters and also the poem. Take care, student. Love you all. Bye.